In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Order History Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a clear list of everything you've bought, added to your wallet, or refunded on your Steam account, which is perfect for budgeting, verifying charges, or tracking down a past purchase. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to store.steampowered.com. This is the official Steam Store website. Make sure you see the secure connection indicator in your browser so you know you're on the real site. Once the page loads, sign in to your Steam account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile name at the top right. If not, click the sign in button and enter your credentials. You might be prompted for SteamGuard verification for extra security, which is normal. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your username. That opens a small menu with several options related to your profile and account. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to your main account overview, where Steam keeps your personal settings, security, and store activity organized in one place. On the Account Details page, find the section related to your store activity. There, click View Purchase History. This is the key area we're after. Steam will load a chronological list of your transactions. You'll see each entry with the date, the item or action, the amount, and the payment method or wallet detail used. It includes game purchases, downloadable content, in-game purchases processed through Steam, wallet top-ups, gifts, and any refunds that have been processed. And take a moment to review the list carefully. You can scroll to see older entries, and you'll notice the status of each transaction, such as completed or refunded, so you can confirm how each purchase was handled. This view is useful if you need to confirm a charge on your bank statement, double-check what you bought during a sale, or verify that a refund went through as expected. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account if you use more than one, and review this page on a secure network to protect your account. Avoid sharing screenshots of your purchase history publicly, as it may contain personal or payment-related details. That's all there is to it. Go to store.steampowered.com, sign in, click your username, choose Account Details, and then select View Purchase History. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your Steam